Problem 12. It says you have 3 into the 4th squared plus this quantity 2 into the 4th squared. Now we're adding these things. This I got to deal with first, get what it is, then add this, because you got to do all multiplication and powers and exponents, all that first. Now let's think, I'm squaring 3 into the 4th. That means I have 2 of these 3 into the 4th. So I have a 3 into the 4th times another 3 into the 4th. Plus, I'm squaring the 2 into the 4th. So I have 2 of these. I'm multiplying 2 into the 4th times another 2 into the 4th. Now, some of you still might like to write this whole thing out. If so, more power to you. It's going to be a 3 n times another 3 n. That's what this means. 3 into the 4th means 3 n. 3 in the 4th, 3 n. Plus 2 into the 4th means 2 n times another 2 n. Most of us are going to skip from here down to here because we can see 3 times 3 is 9, not 6. N, that's going to be n to the 8th. Even if you go from here to here, you better in your mind be visualizing this right here. That's what you need to see. It's important we understand things instead of memorizing a bunch of silly rules. Now here, 2 times 2 is going to be 4. N, that's n to the 8th. Now I can only add them if they're the same. I got 9 of these n to the 8ths plus 4 of these n to the 8ths. Yeah, they're the same thing. I'm counting the same thing. So 9 of something plus 4 of something gives me 13 of that something. Something happens to be n to the 8th. Again, it's n to the 8th, not n to the 16th. We're not multiplying those. That's the mistake that happens. We're adding. We only add things that are exactly the same. 9 of this plus 4 of the exact same thing gives us 13 of that item, n to the 8ths. Problem 12.